we're here to give you a long glimpse at the Intimidator by Oxidean Marine. So sleek and smooth in styling and design. Very beautiful red finish. This is a twin stepped model. Comes with these big, robust, beautiful 60mm props. Very stout rudder. As you can see, the steps on the bottom. Dual water outlets on both sides, and on the port side, a side mount antenna.
Who's got the baddest boats on the scene? It's got you screaming Oxidean Marine. Who's got the strongest boats on the scene? It's got you screaming Oxidean Marine. Who's got the baddest boats on the scene? It's got you screaming Oxidean Marine.
Let's get under the hood of this beauty. Oxidean Bicassal XL2 ESCs, very strong, very robust. Mounted on these pedestals very neatly. They're actually bolted in. Push-pull cable steering with our carbon fiber servo horn. We've of course got our OPS01-L servo. Metal gear, metal casing, digital, high speed. Full carbon fiber battery tray. This boat likes to run either 6 or 8S, but 6S in itself is a handful. The heart of the operation, these robust 53 by 100mm, 8-pole, 1400 kV motors provide more than enough power to propel this thing out of this galaxy. Full carbon fiber Kevlar construction through and through. Not just an inlay, not just partial, but through and through. That goes for the hatch as well. This boat comes with the Quasar Talking GPS radio, and it is in stock and ready to rock.